can type in Piktochart, which is P-I-K, not that, Piktochart.com. Yes, so if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up. If you already have an existing account, click on login. So when you click on sign up, you can sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account if it's open in your browser. Then you put in your full name, email, and password. And ensure that you also have your email open in a separate tab, because they send an email there that you need to click on in order to access the account. So maybe I can do that process quickly here. Then put a password for it. So after double checking to see if you've put in your email well and your password, you click to create account. And it will bring for you this notice: a message with a confirmation link has been sent to your email address. Please follow the link to activate your account. So you come here to your email address, and as you can see, it's the first one open right here at the top. So click on it. You click to confirm email. This will enable you access the features of the tool. Yes. I hope we are together. Then it will, the tool will bring you some questions here. What do you do? You can pick a size. And you click on submit. Yes, so now this is our interface on Piktochart that we can use to create different visualizations and graphics. So we have here on the left, we can create infographics. If you want, you can start from blank, but as you scroll down, they have also very, very nice templates that you can customize. You can preview them. You can, once you hover over one, you can preview, or you can use template. So take time, go through these templates. As you can see, they have very good visualizations in which we can represent our data. Then also they have presentations right here. So if you have, let's say, to present to a board or different people on your research, they have good templates that you can use to fit in data and good visualizations, as you can see here below. Then we also have posters. It has different posters. Still, you scroll down, and you can also search here. You can do a custom search. Let's say you want a health poster. And you see, it will load different medically themed or hospital themed posters here. Then we have reports. If you intend to create a new report, you can see that they have good templates that you can begin to work with. Then we have flyers. Still, we can pick from the many flyers here. Take time, preview, uh, and once you see it fits your design, you can customize. Then we also have social media graphics here that we can design. So even depending on the format that you want, we have Facebook covers if you want to design a Twitter header, Twitter posts, LinkedIn. So it's broken down into those real intricate designs depending on even on the platform where you want to post. So we also have custom sizes. You can create, if you have your measurement already, let's say that you want to put up there, you can put in your figures here. This is the width, height, and the inches, and you can decide whether you want it in portrait or what, or landscape. Okay, so we are going to look at how you can also click on this create new button right here. It will bring the same also interface like we saw on the left, infographics, presentations, posters, and the rest. So still we would like to, in this tool, we would like to see how we can visualize a map. Sometimes you'll have data that maybe you'd want to show how different districts are performing, research data showing the performance of different areas in a specific region or country. So I'll come here, click on infographics, and then I'll start from blank. You can customize these on your own later. Yes. So right here, the first item we have here is graphics. Then when you click on shapes and icons, you see it loading different shapes here. We have stars, the heart, triangle, and you can also search for an icon here. So if I put in square and you write square, it will bring you different illustrations of squares that you can put in your design. Now close that. Then we have illustrations. Yes. So we have different illustrations that you may want to put into your edition. We have here teachers, we have medical workers, physically handicapped. So there are a number of illustrations that you can use here. Indoor material, ladies. So you can search for any illustration and then to come here. Then we also have lines. You can add a line into your work. Then photos. So they have their own photos, but you can also upload your own photos into this tool and use them. So as you can see, the pictures are loading. So these are some of the photos that are already existing on the tool, but you can always add your own images right here from your what? Computer. Then we also have photo frames. You've seen those designs which have photos in different frames. So these are different creative ways you can present your images with photo frames. So as you hover over any, you'll see that this is in a semicircle. This is actually quarter circle. Different shapes that you can add into your design. We have here design components, uploads. Here you can upload images into the tool that you can use in your design. Background, just like we saw in Poster My Wall, you can add a background. It could be a color, all these different background templates that are available here. Then also text, if you want to add text. This could be, let's say, the title of the map. Remember, we're going to use this tool to visualize a map. And it's very important we give that map a title, text. So you can add your text here. Let me see. And as you can see, once you highlight it, it has different functionalities here of the font. You can pick the font, the size, so you can move it with your arrow keys, just like there on top of the template of the block. So now we want to look at how we can visualize maps with this tool. So to go there, we click here on Tools, just below here. So click on Tools. Any questions thus far as the tools load? So we have charts, maps. You can add a chart into your design, map, videos. But for here, we're going to look at maps. So I'll click on Maps. Yes, so it will preview the world, give you a world map preview, and you can search for any country that you want to visualize. So home is best, so I'll begin with Uganda. I'll pick Uganda, and it will come here. So it will select the Ugandan map, and you click on Edit this map to begin making changes to it. Yes. So right here, it has given us the Ugandan map, and on the right, we have the different districts that are available on the map. And if you have any data in Excel, you can also paste it here. But one thing to take note of is that if you want to, if you have your data and figures and you'd like to just paste it customly here, you would need to come here first and copy this data the way it is, Kalangala and the figure, put it to your Excel sheet, and then edit it. Because this tool, the way it is, these districts, the arrangement is there by what? By default. Okay. So right here, we can change now the color of each district. So first here we have Kalangala. To change the color for Kalangala, you click here on this, the color icon before it, and then it will select it here on the map, as you can see, and then you pick a color for it. Okay, and that's schools. Then we can go to ginger, pick another one for it. To come to yellow, Kumi, just like that. So we want to add another column. Right here, we have a column for population, which you can also still change. You can change it to anything, depending on the data that you're trying to represent. So I'll add another column here, and I'll put schools. Remember, our heading was the map of Uganda showing the schools in the different districts. So you can edit the number. I'll put 5. Here I'll put 6. Here I'll put 12. Yes, just like that. So when you hover each of those districts that we have edited, you'll be able to see, let's say on Kalangala, you can see the population is 10, and then the schools are 5. Jinja, population is 20, 6 schools. Angora, it's like that. Then if you also want to change the color of the map, which is right here, you can click on the color, depending on what you want. If you want it in blue, but you have to be very wary of the different colors you've set for the districts. If they don't, so that they do not clash with the changes that you've made. So yes. Okay, so we'll go with that. Then you can also change the border colors. The borders are those border lines demarcating. So you can pick the color that you want. Want it to be orange. See, it will turn like that. So each of these, what you select depends, also alters the way you've changed each color design for the districts. Then if you want the borderline to show, you can put it here. If you don't, it will be like that. So you can either select or unselect it. Then under data visualization here, um, first of all, you can choose if you want how the caption to appear when you hover over them. If you want them to appear light or in a gray color, you can see that they have now what? Changed it. They have now changed, sorry. Okay. Put them in dark. You see that they appear just like that. Then if you want to show area value, let's say in a particular area, showing a different calculations of population in a certain group, you can select it right here. As you click on area value map, and you can see it brings you those different changes. You can choose the data column that you would want to choose. It can either be population or schools, like the one we created. And still, you can pick the color and what you want, how you want it to be represented. If you want it in red, an area value and color. So you can tinker around like that. If you want it to show within the map here to show, you can unselect or select it like that. So after you're done making your changes, you click on insert map. And as you can see, it has come within your block here in Piktochart. If you're still not yet satisfied and want to make more changes, first of all, you can you can resize it. But once you hover over it, it has this edit button right here that you can click on again, and then you make more changes. The beauty about this is that you can add in different data sets, as we have seen. You can add in different data sets of, let's say, the number of hospitals, number of football stadiums, different facilities or amenities that are available that you want to represent, and a combination of different data sets visualized together is what we call a data mashup. So after the session or after today, you can go and add in different data sets to visualize different things together, and that is what we call a data mashup. Okay, and you click on update map. So you before you would like to download it or share it, you can first preview right here. So you can see how it will look once you have downloaded it. Once you're done, click on exit preview. So you can share to if you want to embed this, let's say, onto your website, you click on the share button right here. So to get a link to share, you have to first make this link public. Okay, this is very important. So you come here, click on this, give it a title. Then click confirm. Okay, and this is a link that you can copy. You can share it to people on WhatsApp. You can share it in your different networks, social media, and it will be able to generate that visualization. You can also share it on social media. Okay. Then we also have the embed code, which you can put in your website, and it will be able to. This is once you click on it, you can copy this code, and it will be responsive within your what? Within your site under like a post or anything. Then just like we saw, we can also still use the sniping tool to get a screenshot of this, but remember it won't be interactive there. To have its interactivity, you have to take the embed code onto our website. Okay. Then we also have, we can also download it right here. Click on download. So the format it gives us as free is PNG. The rest are for leveling up or going premium. That's PDF and PowerPoint. And then after, you can click to download as PNG.